So in this Zumper tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find short-term rentals here on Zumper. So once Zumper's opened up, what I want you to do is to actually go to the top right to where there's these three lines and a profile picture, press on the drop down, and then go to where it says short-term rentals and press on that. Now, once you're here, you actually do have an area selected. So I have Calgary, Alberta selected right here. But if you wanted to change this, you can go ahead and go to New York City or whatever the case may be. Now, once this is selected, you can go ahead and just select the maps. And what you're seeing now is a bunch of short-term rental options available. So if you're going to New York City, for example, you can go ahead and check out the short-term rentals this way through Zumper. Very simple, very straightforward. This is how to find short-term rentals on Zumper. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.